Hello, this is Sari Cecilia, and if you haven't been on my channel before, I am an artist who channels art, and this is a behind the scenes look at my rituals that help inspire me to create channeled art. I pay homage to the goddess Bridget, and this is a Bridget candle that I am preparing, that I keep burning while I paint to inspire me. There's inscriptions there. It's a message, like a verse from Bridget to inspire me, that I've scribed onto the candle. And now I'm preparing the herbs. I use the herbs that are specific to Goddess Bridget. This is some cinnamon. So I just crush that up a little more, and we're going to anoint the candle with Bridget oil and botanicals that are dedicated to the Goddess Bridget. So for my rituals, I write down all of the things that I create so I can remember what I've used, like orange peel. And sometimes I change it up a bit just to see the energy of the botanicals. Today I'm also going to use bay leaf as well. And these are all botanicals that I've researched that are dedicated to the energy of Bridget for protection, guidance, inspiration, warmth of the flame. There's some star anise that I like to use. And I usually use a lot of star anise, so this is some ground up star anise or anise as well that I use, which sits nicely on the candle. And I'll show you how I prepare the candles as well. This is a Bridget oil that I purchased from the Witch's Moon, and it's just a beautiful oil. It contains the same herbs that I've showed you just previously, and they're all contained there and anointed. And these oils are beautifully blessed, so I love to purchase and support other spiritual holistic businesses as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm just preparing the candle. Amidst the songs and whispers I spoke and set the sacred flame. Exalted goddess of the sun, I ask upon your name. Bridget, the bright one, the crowded queen, the crowned queen, the high one, I ask upon your to invoke. So you can use this process. I'm just massaging in the oil as I'm also chanting again to pay homage to Bridget. Sorry, it's a little off screen there, but it's just basically rubbing the oil into all of the inscriptions that I've made and in all of the parts of the candle, including the wick as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding all of the botanicals together so that we can add them to the candle, and we rub the candle into the herbs there, so that they can get coated while the oil is still kind of fresh, and also mixing in those together. Amidst these songs and whispers I spoke, I said the sacred flame, exalted goddess of the sun, I ask upon your name, Bridget, the bright one, the crowned queen, the High One, I ask upon your undying flame to inspire, invoke, reclaim. Amidst these songs and whispers spoke, I said the sacred flame. Exalted goddess of the sun, I ask upon your name, Bridget, the bright one, the crowned queen, the high one. I ask upon your undying flame to inspire and work and reclaim.